5 based on the logic they have given. Now this is about cubes. Choose the box that is similar to the box formed from the given sheet of paper. Okay, this is the given sheet of paper. This is a given sheet of paper. These are the options available. When you fold the paper, okay, when you fold the paper, one of the options will come. When you fold paper, okay, one of the options will come. We have to tell which may be the possible answer. Now, if you see, this may be the base, bottom or base. Okay, when you lift this, it will become a face. This will become face. This will become face, and this will become face. Okay, and other four regions, the top it is cut into four divisions. Top is cut into four divisions. This is the box. Okay, this is the box, and you have six faces. You have six faces. Okay, one is base, other one is top, and you have four faces around. Four faces around. Okay, now I have base or bottom, and then four faces I am having, and the tops, if you join them, okay, one face, it is divided like this. The top is divided like this. Top is divided into four sections. Okay, A, B, C, D, four sections. And this is what, this I will take as A, this as B, this C, this D. When I combine this A, B, C, D, the top face will come. Okay, when I combine this A, B, C, D, top face will come. Okay, so now if you combine, A and B are having shadings. You can see A and B are having shadings. So one face, half, there should be shading. Okay, not more than half, not less than half. In one face, when I join A and B, the shading is coming. C, D doesn't have shading. One of the face around the four faces, one of the face is having a dot. Okay, one of the face is having a dot. So out of the six faces, one face should have half shading. One face should have half shading, and one face should have one dot. One face should have one dot. This is the condition. Okay, so it cannot be answer 4 because one full face is covered. One full face is covered with shading. It cannot be answer 4. There is possibility of answer being 2. There is possibility of answer being 2 because one face half shaded, one dot is also there. And then you can see here two half faces are shading. It is also not the answer. Okay, there is possibility of 2. 1 and 4 cannot be the answer. So here 1 is present, 4 is present, 1 and 4 are present. This cannot be answers. In 3, two faces are not visible to us. Two faces are not visible to us. So they may be having one half shading and one dot. One half shading and one dot. So option 2 and 3 may be the possible answer. 2 and 3 may be the possible answer because in 3, two faces are not visible to us. There may be possibility half of the face shading and one dot is also present because the visible face, three faces are not visible, bottom also not visible, no. So three faces not visible. So in the visible faces, there is no dot, there is no shading. So the other three faces may have one face half shading and one face one dot. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Now I am going to next problem. I am going to next problem. How many dots lie opposite to the face having three dots? Okay, opposite to the face having three dots. This is number 3. Okay, this is number 3. Three dots are present here. Number 3. Okay, number 3. Three dots are present here. How many dots lie opposite to this? Okay, how many dots lie opposite to this? So I say it is 6. I say it is 6. Okay. What I will do, 4 dots I will make as the base or bottom. 4 dots I will make as the base or bottom. Okay. Next I will lift this 3 dots and 2 dots. They are the faces. Okay. So bottom I will make it 4 dots. And then I will lift 3 dots and 2 dots. They will become faces. They will become faces. Then after lifting 5 dots I will cover as top. 5 dots I will cover as top. So 4 and 5 are opposite. 4 and 5 are opposite. 4 is base, 5 is the top. Okay. After lifting 3 dots, wrap or twist. Okay, twist the 1 dot. Okay, it will become a face. Continuously, the 6 dots, it will come as face. Okay, this will come opposite to number 3, opposite to 3 dots, and this 1 dot will come opposite to 2 dots. 1 dot will come opposite to 2 dots. Okay, now 4 and 5 dots are opposite. 1 and 2 dots are opposite. 6 and 3 dots are opposite. What they are asking, what is the face having opposite to 3 dots? Okay, 3 dots opposite is 6. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, so these are the steps we are following. Make 4 dots as the bottom and lift 3 dots and 2 dots, they will become the faces. Then this 5 dots you cover as the top, and on the other side after 3 you wrap it, you twist and wrap it. So 1 will come opposite to 2, 6 will come opposite to 3, all those are faces. Okay, a box can be formed. So finally, why we are doing all this? In order to form a cube. In order to form a cube. Okay, this is a box, cube. This is the cube. Cube is formed by all this. Cube is formed by all this. Okay. Now I'm going to the next problem. I'm going to the next problem. Choose the box that is similar to the box formed when the given sheet of paper. Okay, from the given sheet of paper. This is sheet of paper. This is sheet of paper, and a box should be formed, and these are the options. Okay, which is the correct one? Which is the correct one? Okay, we are folding this left side sheet so that a box is formed, and which will be the correct answer? What we can do, if you take this circle as base, bottom, okay, you lift, I will put numbers, let this be 1 2 3 4, this complete is 4, this complete is 5. Okay, so we will put circle as the base or bottom, then lift 1 and 2, they will become faces, okay. Wrap 5, that will become a face. Cover 3 as top, then fold 4. Okay, fold 4, it will become a face. Fold 4, it will become a face. Okay, by doing all this, circle and 3 will be opposite, base and top, they will be opposite. 2 and 1 are opposite. 2, I am giving numbering so we can understand. 2 and 1 are opposite. And then 5, 4 are opposite. 5 and 4 are opposite. Both of them are having shading. They are opposite faces. Okay. So what is possible here? Opposite faces should have shading. Okay, 4 is not the answer because it is not opposite faces having shading. So 4 cannot be the answer because opposite faces only can have shading. So we have 4 in all these options. I will eliminate. So 1 and 3 are the possible answers. Okay, and when you roll the cube also, circle may come on the top or on the bottom. Okay, 1 and 3 are the possible answers. Why 2 cannot be the answer? Because shading should not be in the adjacent. Okay, here shading faces adjacent. Okay, in the invisible faces, shadings are present adjacent, whether it may be bottom and one face, okay, or two invisible faces, they become adjacent only. Okay, but opposite faces only should have shading. 4 and 5 are opposite faces having shading. Okay, so the possible answer is 1 and 3 only. In 3, the opposite to the shading, one more shading may be there. and then bottom there may be a circle, bottom there may be a circle, and the top face empty may be 3. Okay, like that. Slowly we have to catch some point and we have to come up with the answer. Catch some point and we have to come up with the answer. This is the last slide.